Can you 3D print a 3D printer? Well, actually, yes. Back during the early days of 3D printing, if you wanted a printer, you couldn't just buy one. No one was mass producing these new contraptions. What you would have to do is purchase some readily available mechanical parts and find someone with what was called a rep wrap. The rep wrap was intentionally made with easy to find parts, and so long as you could find someone who already had one, you could make one. Once you made one, it seemed like you had an obligation to help others out who were in your previous situation. This was back in the 2010s, which makes me wonder what would happen if a part broke and you couldn't print a new one. Nonetheless, you can still today print a new rep wrap if you want. It is more on the complicated side of things, and it's more history than practicality these days. If you want to print a 3D printer, you can print a Voron. Voron is an open source 3D printer used to do crazy things like print at over a meter per second. That is insane. Sadly, no printer out there is fully 3D printable, as plastic can't exactly heat up when you run a current through it. And it would also melt trying to create more, well, plastic. But now you know that.